Happy New Year to all you conscious cowgirls out there exploring the unbridling yourself habits of becoming. I just wanted to give you a little horse energy today. This is Annette, the conscious cowgirl. And as you can see, we're in the middle of winter up here in Canada. Here's the healing boys, the yin and yang boys. And I just wanted to share with you a few moments of peace, of connecting with nature and the horses. And maybe you'll be able to hear them eating. I'll come a little closer. Even looking at Kojo with hay all over his head makes you kind of smile. He's saying hello. So we are gently moving into the new year, wondering how you're doing. Is your soul assignment becoming more clear? Are you feeling more grounded? Are you tired? What's happening out there for all you conscious cowgirls? You're getting pushed away like this? Happily eating, getting moved on to another path? Enjoy the few moments. You can re-listen to this and just enjoy the energy of snow and peace and quiet at this time of year. Maybe it's okay if you haven't been actively galloping forward. How can you be more kind to yourself? Give yourself more space as you do everyone else. So that's about all I have to say for today. Just wanted to share a few moments of nature with you and the horses. Just breathe in. I'll let you hear. There they are, the beauties. All right, have a great weekend, and remember, the world needs you and your gifts. Talk to you soon. Aho.